Gate drops here for the final time. The 68th FIM Monster Energy Motocross of Nations. Oh, Chad Reed cartwheeling down the straight into the first corner. Doesn't even make the first turn for Australia.
Few riders down in the foxhole shot area.
Chad Reed, one of those guys.
Taking a look at these riders. Lock bars going down the start straight. And then who's going to come out with this, Paul?
Dennis Ulrich of Germany.
Well, take a look at the start. Look at the number 10 in yellow and green. See if we get a shot of it halfway down the start straight. Oh, the other rider in front. Who was it that he connected with? Because he got stopped. Chad hits him. And this is the riders battling through the first turn as they're trying to slide the back of the bike around. And is that Tomac down?
No. Tomac,
Tomac.
Tomac went down.